Let's learn to count from 1 to 12. You can do it. Let's go. 1 apple. 2 2 pineapples. Good job. 3 1 2 3 strawberries. 4 1 2 3 4 avocados. 5 1 2 3 4 5 bananas. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 blueberries. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lemons. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 coconuts. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 pears. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 watermelons. 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 cherries. 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 mangoes. Great job, my friend. You did it very well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.